Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Work at 50 degrees F to 90 degrees F before you start to attach an emblem to metal. Clean the paint using 70% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Remove wax and road grime until the surface is visibly clean and dry. Mark exact center lines using painter's tape and a tape measure in inches. Dry fit the emblem to check alignment and spacing of 1/4 inch or other specified gap. If old adhesive remains, remove it with a plastic scraper and apply 3M adhesive promoter. Dry fit the emblem first to confirm placement before peeling any backing. Heat the adhesive backing to about 120 degrees F using a hairdryer for 30 to 60 seconds. Peel the backing slowly while holding alignment using the painter's tape guides. Press the emblem onto the paint and hold firm pressure for 60 seconds to seat the adhesive. Roll over the emblem with a silicone roller, applying consistent pressure for 30 seconds. Leave the emblem undisturbed for 5 minutes before light contact with clothing or remove the painter's tape and inspect edges immediately after initial setting. Clean any adhesive squeeze out with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Do not use metal scrapers or harsh abrasives that could scratch the paint. Avoid automated car washes and pressure washers for at least 24 hours after installation. If you need to drive sooner, avoid high-speed car washes and keep trips short. For future removal, warm the emblem with a hair dryer and use adhesive remover like Goo Gone carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.